Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So I'm super excited about this video because it is a two-part video. The first part is a foundation routine and I will have that video down below. It's not really a foundation routine because it's a first impression on a particular foundation. So I'll show you how I apply my foundation. I did one side of my face with a sponge and the second side with a brush, but all of that information will be in that particular video, so go check out that video. It will be linked down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bells, guys, so you will not miss any of my future uploads. And give this video a thumbs up if you love makeup tutorials because they are so amazing. You learn so many things, and if you're just into learning, then give this video a thumbs up. So let me know down below what you guys think, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I just did my concealer and I set it with my Beauty Bakery flower powder in the color yellow, the translucent powder in yellow. So I just did that and just letting that sit there, and now I'm going to just bronze a little bit before we get into the shadow. Actually, let's go ahead and get into the shadow. Putting down the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Caffeine before I start this eyeshadow look. And I'm just going to set that with my Colourpop and Shayla collaboration in the color Culture, which is this one here. Over the lid. So in today's look, I'm just going to do a simple like spring blue look. I've been wanting to try this look out for a while. And I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil and Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. Those colors are so pretty. It looks like this. So I'm going to be taking the Minted Mojito and just putting that on the lid. But first I'm going to go ahead and do a transition shade. This transition shade that I just put all over my lid accidentally. It's just a mixture of Culture. It's a mixture of Culture and a little bit of Revenge and Thick. That is on top of the lid in the crease, and I just dragged it up. Grab that Mojito shade using a flat brush, and I'm going to just pop that right all on the lid. Pressing it in, placing it there, not brushing it on. And guys, look how that is, like, the pigment is ridiculous. I didn't even put any Fix Plus on it yet. You see that? Oh my goodness. Then I'm gonna go back on top of it and then put the Fix Plus just to give it a bit more of a pop. But guys, look at that. You don't even need any, for real. And I'm just blending that with the transition shade, and this eye is pretty much done. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some falsies. I'm gonna come back and do the rest of the face. All right, now that took a million years, we're gonna go on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna smoke it out with this Stallion color and the Colourpop and Shayla palette. You guys, this palette has been my go-to, so don't judge me. So I mixed in also the Played Out and Revenge, just so that the bottom is not too black. Pop some mascara on my bottom lash line. In my waterline, I'm going to go in with this No Tug Waterproof Anti-Aging Gel Eyeliner by It Cosmetics. I'm going to just put that in my waterline. Going back to the face, I'm going to go ahead and bronze it up. My favorite part. Taking my MAC Skin Finish in Darkest Deepest. Alright, and I'm going to take this Sephora blush in Hot Flush. Looks like this. Super pretty orange color. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to put that Sandcastle shade from the Killawatt palette and put that in my inner tear duct. And I'm also going to use this, no, I want to use another highlighter. There's a new highlighter I want to tell you guys about. So I'm going to put this in my inner tear duct. And last but not least, the lips and highlighter, but I'm going to put this new highlighter on. I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown, was new to me. This is the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Bronze Glow. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I got this from Marshall's, okay? Marshall's. So follow me on Instagram so you won't be missing out on what I be purchasing from the store, what I be getting from Marshall's, okay? I'm going to wet my face with some Fix Plus. And with this highlighter, it's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. For the lips, I'm going to go in with my Cork lip liner by MAC. And I'm going to go in with my Too Faced liquid lipstick, the Melted Matte lipstick in the color Cool Girl. On top of that, I'm going to go in with Oyster Girl by MAC. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.